The first stop on the Remembrance Day 2023 tour here in France is a small village called Varaville. And Varaville was on the extreme eastern end of the Normandy front. And the objective of Varaville for the 1st Canadian Parachute Battalion was to capture a German garrison that was headquartered here and to blow up a couple bridges that crossed a small river down that road. Now in C Company, 1 Canberra landed in the drop zone over that way. Just over the field about a quarter mile away that way. A lot of them were spread out all over the place, and they had to kind of find each other to make it here to this Varaville gatehouse. This was their key point, their key attack point to get the German garrison. Now they didn't know it, but the German garrison saw them coming in on the parachutes, and they had moved over across the way, over that way. They were manning an artillery piece, 75mm gun. So they were basically waiting for the Canadians to come in here. So this place was empty when the Canadians got here, C Company. And they went upstairs in that second window up there to get a better viewpoint of what was going on. And they were under observation by the Germans, and the Germans put a shell through the window and killed 3 or 4 of them right off the bat. So they eventually did manage to get that gun out of commission across the way, and to basically take the town of Varaville and put the German garrison out of action. And this monument here is in recognition of that action. These are the soldiers of the 1 Canberra who were killed during that assault on Varaville. So that's step 1 on the tour. We're at the far eastern end of the Normandy front, and we're going to continue down along the beaches. The idea here was the 6th British Airborne, 1 Canberra was part of the 6th British Airborne, was to protect the eastern end of the invasion flank. So they're blowing up bridges, taking out garrisons, basically putting obstacles in place to prevent a German counterattack from hitting the bridges. Counterattack would have come down that road right there, or from that direction up there. On to objective 2.